Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show is sponsored by Hog Holsters, Olight Flashlights, and Heal That Pain Shoe Insert. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. I'm here with Chris from Real Avid, and let me just a quick background. First off, Chris, thanks for taking time to talk to us.
No, my pleasure.
And Real Avid, you guys make, I guess, tools and equipment to service and build and clean and everything firearms.
That's exactly right.
And I saw these guys at range day Monday, but the wind was blowing, it was really loud, it was really cold, and the acoustics weren't nearly as good as they are in this wonderful place here. But I was telling him, I just bought a new shotgun a while back, and I was taking it apart to clean it initially, and I wound up with a pile of stuff on the table like this, because I'm like everybody, I got a box full of stuff here, and I got some stuff over here and whatnot. What really impressed me about this is not only just really well-made stuff, but it's very organized, and it's all compact, it's all kitted together. It's just a really, really nice setup. You can tell there's a lot of thought into this. You guys are somebody that knows what they're doing put this together. So.
There absolutely is, and that's from years of doing and going through the same thing that you've gone through, trying to find a way to just make it better, make it more organized, make it more efficient, and at the end of the day, enjoy the experience a lot more.
Yeah, so a couple of things I thought were cool. I want you to show us the new stuff here, but this is probably one of the neatest things I've seen. If you're not aware of it, this is like a mat. It's a cleaning, what do you call this? There's a name for it, I know.
This is our smart mat. So the difference with what we've done, everybody's familiar with the old felt mats that we used to use all the time. We've decided to enter, when we did, the gun cleaning market with some new materials. So this is a neoprene-backed mat that we have. It's oil, stain resistant, so at the end of the day, paper towel, wipe it off, you're clean, you're good to go for the next round. What we've done this year to create our master cleaning station is we've incorporated and attached that to our cleaning kit, so when you're opening it up, this one is specific to an AR. We got a scraper, you've got your 223 brushes and jags, patches, brushes, rods, and handle. The nice thing about it, and this is also a magnetic parts tray, when we're talking about losing pins and springs. All that goes right in there. When you're done, fold it up, you roll it up, and it goes into a nice sleeve. You store it away all in one place all together. So that's the master cleaning station from Real Avid, specifically for the AR. Also comes in a universal kit and also comes with a handgun.
That is stinking cool right there. I'm telling you, I would have paid dearly for one of these the other day because I've got like an armful of crap. Anyway, so what else we got here? This is pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, so another thing we came out with this year is our gunsmithing drive kit. So a couple features that make this unique is, one, we've got the jewel handle, so you can use that. The other thing is, you look right here, LED, no shadow. So if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense. You're working on black guns, dark spaces. You don't have a flashlight in your mouth. You got the flashlight right on the driver.
How did you know I had a flashlight in my mouth the entire time I was working on that?
We've done this a few times too. You also get a small driver with it. Fits all these bits. The nice thing about this is you can also use it as a torque assist. If you're breaking loose Loctite, screws with Loctite, that kind of thing, need a little extra leverage, you can pull down on that. The other thing that we really paid attention to was the shape of our bits. So if you look, we've really squared these off. These aren't beveled. These are made to perfectly fit in those flathead, Torx head, Allen head slots and reduce the slip, reduce scratching and stripping and that type of thing. So that's a Smart Drive 90 kit from Real Avid. The other thing we've done, we've had hammer and punch kits, for quite a few years. This year we came out with a roll pin punch kit. So we've got standard, now we've got a roll pin kit. We also have a kit that's specific just to the AR-15. So every pin that you need, even staking pins, to break down or build back up your AR-15 is in this kit. All in one handy kit, folds up, puts it away, you're good to go.
That's cool.
Last but not least, a lot of people have seen these products from us over the years. Our master wrench, our bench blocks, our vice blocks. What we've done is taken all of those tools, added a few essentials, and come up with a master kit for building, breaking down an AR-15. So I guess arguably, other than your driver kit and a vise, This has everything you need to build up, break down your AR.
Yeah, so you got, I mean, you got a mag well, you know, bracket thingy. I'm such a technical dude, but that's, you know, what you put in to mount your rifle where you're working on it.
And the beauty
the
about
jigs
this one
here.
is that if you look at it, you know, there's variants of mag wells depending on the manufacturer. So instead of buying a fixed one and shimming it or shading it down, this one adjusts.
Oh, that's
so
cool.
you either make it fatter or skinnier, get it to fit the mag well that you have, then you can drop it in the block and you're good to go.
That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And so, I mean, that's just if you want to build a gun, and I think I really want to build one this year. I'm thinking about doing a pistol build because that's so cool, right? This is everything you need, and you don't have to try to guess. You don't have to try to figure out, am I missing this part? What would be very frustrating to me is get at a certain point, and maybe it's 10 o'clock at night because you're doing this after work, and you realize, I need this tool, and nobody's got it. You're not going to find one in town properly. You got to order it, and you're just sitting there with a half-done gun, a half-done project. So, and you got a lot of other stuff too. This is just kind of the new stuff. I just had to show you this because I think if you've got a gun, you need to check out Real Avid. This is some of the coolest stuff I have seen, and I'm like a kid in a candy store here. So anyway, hopefully we'll be taking a closer look at some of this stuff and giving you some real world application tests on it. But man, this is so cool. So anyway, I'm just it's all cool. Chris, thanks for taking time to talk to us and show us the stuff. And check out Real Avid, and thanks for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of the Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Once again, I'd like to thank my sponsors and encourage you to go check them out. First of all, Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns. Olight Flashlights, makers of the PL Mini, PL Valkyrie, and lots of other cool flashlights. And the folks at Heal That Pain Heal Seats, which I'm wearing right now. They literally changed my life. So I encourage you to check them all out. Tell them I said hello and thanks for sponsoring this year's coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.